Hi everyone, I am Dr. Pooja Sahni, consultant obstetric and gynecologist and laparoscopic surgeon, Cloudnine, Thanisandra and HRBR branch, Bangalore. Before taking abortion pills, generally we need to do a transvaginal scan to check for the position of the pregnancy, whether it is intrauterine or not. Sometimes the pregnancy can be inside the fallopian tubes, which is called as ectopic pregnancy. Taking abortion pills in such conditions can lead to ruptured ectopic, which can be a life-threatening situation. So, you should not take abortion pills without medical supervision. Also, there are chances of more being incomplete abortion, which may lead to prolonged bleeding in the future.